Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Better Sleep for a Better Tomorrow, the podcast with helpful tips and tricks to improve your quality of nightly sleep. I'm your host, Brent Peterson. Usually, when I think about sleep, the first thing I think about is the quantity or number of hours of sleep that I should be receiving or that I do receive every night. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC, recommends that I, as a 28-year-old, receive 7 or more hours of sleep per night. Personally, I feel like I do not get enough sleep to properly function if I am shy of 8 or 9 hours, though I'm sure having a new baby at home does not help my cause either. Teens, ages 13 to 18, are recommended to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Healthy People 2030 is developed by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and has national data-driven objectives to improve overall health and well-being for all. They have a myriad of topics about health conditions and behaviors that they focus on and target over the next decade. Sleep is one of those targeted health behaviors to improve during this decade. Their goal is to improve health, productivity, well-being, quality of life, and safety by helping people get enough sleep. That is a lot that can be improved just through sleep. For high school students especially, but everyone is included in this, sleep helps to reduce mood changes, stress, anger, impulsiveness, and the tendency to drink and or smoke. Sleep also increases concentration, attention, decision-making, creativity, social skills, and health. All of those are important when trying to navigate through high school, juggle a social and academic life, and make important life decisions. Yet 73% of high school students are not getting the recommended 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Feeling well rested is about more than just the amount of sleep you receive, however. The tip that I'm going to focus on today is more than getting to bed early so you can get more sleep or advocating for later start times at high schools. I'm going to offer a tip that helps with improving the quality of sleep you receive. My today's tip for improving the quality of your sleep is to reduce your screen time before actively trying to sleep. It seems like everybody today owns a personal device of some sort, whether that be a cell phone, tablet, or laptop. These are very useful tools and help us accomplish a lot of things throughout the day, from homework to making new friends and updating those friends on our lives via social media, entertaining ourselves with short videos or watching movies, staying in touch with family, helping manage our money, etc. The possibilities are endless with what we can access from the palms of our hands. These screens can be a hindrance at night, though, when we are trying to fall asleep. These screens emit blue light, which can inhibit our brain's ability to produce melatonin, a hormone that helps us sleep. Those who have trouble sleeping at night can take melatonin pills or make a sleepy tea of sorts to help them sleep. This same objective can also be reached by eliminating screen time up to 2 hours before bed. To address some potential qualms that you might be thinking right now as you listen to this podcast, 2 hours before bed, that is a long time. I'm doing homework all the way up to when I go to sleep. I agree that 2 hours can feel like a long time. I would suggest starting with small increments and building up to the full 2 hours if possible. Whatever amount of time you can get, the better. I have a friend who swears that she cannot fall asleep unless she is watching TV. I must agree that I also find watching TV to be relaxing and can help put me in a sleepy mood. To this I say it might help you fall asleep, but you are still lacking that quality of sleep that we are looking for. There are alternatives that can help relax you. You can try reading a book, listening to guided meditation, drawing, coloring. Find what works for you and roll with it. Improving your quality of sleep will help to reduce perceived stress in your life and help you students perform better academically through increasing your concentration, energy, focus, and creativity. That is all for today. Sleep easy, and I will see you on the other side.